I'm here today to share with you this Green Keeper. It's a jump pack and it also has a built-in air compressor. It comes with the leads here, and then this is for the air compressor part. It also comes with different attachments so you can inflate a variety of different things. It has built-in technology where if you set it to a certain PSI, it will stop once it hits that PSI. As I mentioned, with the stop inflation feature, it makes it safer and more reliable. This air compressor works for a variety of things, including vehicle tires, bike tires, and a lot of other things. To use it, you have to unscrew this valve. And then hit the power button, and then with the plus and minus you can set your desired PSI. And then once you're hooked up here, you just hit the inflate button. And then once it hits the desired PSI, it will automatically stop. And this jump pack is great for starting vehicles and charging up batteries. Simply just put these in the back side here. It'll give you a blue light. And then when you hook up your clamps to the battery, it will give you a green light telling you it's ready to go. And it will jumpstart all our batteries